Hello student and welcome to Rasa International School. Today is our chapter for class 6. Chapter first, History, our past. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the topic History, our past. What is history? History is the study of events and great men of the past on the basis of available materials, remains and records. And historians divide history into two broad periods, prehistory and history. Prehistory, the period when man was totally unaware of the art and writing, where the early humans don't know how to read and write, and no written records are found of that period, it is known as Stone Age. Prehistory referred to that period when man was totally unaware of the art of writing, so no written records of that period are available. This period is referred to as Stone Age. Stone Age. The prehistory periods where the early humans don't know how to read and write, so that is the reason that we have not a written record of prehistory. History. The period for which written records are available is known as history. It is generally studied under the three heads: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. The period for which written records are available is known as history. It is generally studied under the three heads: ancient, medievals, and modern history. The written record provide details such as dates, events, name of people and place, and so on. From this period, early human came to know how to read and write, and we have lots of written records of history. So the historian divides this history into three equal parts: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. As we know, the ancient history and medieval history start from 8th to 18th century, and after that the modern century. हिस्ट्री ये वो पीरियड है जहाँ मतलब लोग रिटन रिकॉर्ड हमें मिलने लगा, जहाँ पर अर्ली ह्यूमन ने रिटन रिकॉर्ड उसका मिलना शुरू हो गया। वहाँ से उसने पेंटिंग करना शुरू कर दी, वहाँ से उसने लिखना शुरू कर दिया, दीवारों पर पेंटिंग करना शुरू कर दी, तो यहाँ से हिस्ट्री मिल गई। तो यहाँ से जो है रिटन रिकॉर्ड मिलना शुरू हुए, और इस हिस्ट्री को भी तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया: एंशियंट, मेडिवल एंड मॉडर्न। इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कंट्री, we have to know geographical structure of a particular country. Geography has had a great impact on the human society since ancient time. There is a close relationship between the physical condition and historical phenomena. In fact, the history without geography is incomplete. The geographical division of India are the Himalayas. The Himalayas have been a great barrier against the reaching India. Their existence did not allow any invader to have dream of conquering the northern regions beyond the Himalayas. The Indo-Gangetic Plains. The richness of soil facilitates the establishment of big empire like those of the Mauryas and Guptas and Mughal. If the ruler managed to conquer Indo-Gangetic Plain, he would also succeed in doing international trade, because the Indo-Gangetic Plain are most fertile area. Southern India. The Vindhyas range stand between the north and south. South India remained under the influence of the Dravidians culture even when the Aryan influence extends widely over the north. Coastal plain. The long coastline has enabled India to maintain commercial relation with the faraway countries since the very ancient time. This is coastline of India. This is the coastline of India, and this is known as Western Coastal Plain, and this is Eastern Coastal Plain. And this area is the most fertile area because this area is located near the bank of oceans, and it is very helpful for the trade, for international trade and business. Religious literature play an important role to collect information of history writing or religious theme come under the religious literature. So we have most important sources of history. We have most important religious sources of history. Vedas. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, and Artha Veda. And Rig Veda is the most ancient Veda. Rigved is most ancient Ved and give a lot of information regarding the history and political system of Aryans. Next to Vedas, the two great epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, are the most famous book in Sanskrit literature. The Ramayana was written by Maharishi Valmiki and Mahabharata by Maharishi Vedvyas. So, the two great epics is Mahabharata and Ramayana. First, we have to look at Mahabharata is written by Vedvyas and Ramayana is written by Maharishi Valmiki. So, to know the history of a particular country, so we have an important sources of history, foreign traveler. Foreign traveler play a very important role to collect an information about the history of a particular country. So we have some name. Who was Megasthenes? Name the account written by him. So Megasthenes was an ambassador and sent by Seleucus to court of Chandragupta Maurya. Megasthenes was an ambassador and sent by the Seleucus to court of Chandragupta Maurya, and he wrote a book which name is Indica. The Megasthenes wrote all the information of Chandragupta Maurya in his book Indica, and Indica is the most important resources of history to know about the Chandragupta Maurya. And another foreign traveler are Fahian. The Fahian was a Chinese Buddhist monk and translator who traveled by foot from ancient China to ancient India, visiting the sacred Buddhist sites in Central Asia. The Fahian visited India in a search of knowledge and Buddhist literature and left valuable account about the religious, social and political condition of India. Al-Biruni visited India during the time of Mahmud of Ghazni. He has left as a remarkable book called Tahqiq-e-Hind. The account of these foreign travelers have proved the vital in the reconstruction of history of India for the period of AD 400 to 700. Arthashastra of Kautilya contain a lot of information regarding the system of administration and the social religious life of modern period. If we are going to know about the modern empire, so Arthashastra is the best resources of history. And the Mudra Rakshas of Vishakdatta give a story of Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya. If we are going to know about the Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya, so we have to look at the Mudra Rakshas and Vishakdatta. Patanjali's Mahabhyas and Panini Ashtadhyayi are the work on Sanskrit grammar. The most important resource of Sanskrit grammar are Patanjali's Mahabhyas and Panini Ashtadhyayi. The dramas of Kalidas, Abhigyan Shakuntalam and Meghdutam and Malvikagnimitram throw the light on the social life of this age. Prithviraj Raso, written by Chandrabai, give us information about the Prithviraj Chauhan. If we want to know about the Prithviraj Chauhan, so we have to look at the book the name is Prithviraj Raso, written by Chandrabai. Give us a very important information about the Prithviraj Chauhan. And similarly, Raj Tarangani of Kalhana and Ain Akbari or Akbarnama of Abu Fazl are very useful literacy resources of history. At the end, we have some questions to solve. Match the following columns. Herodotus, the father of history. The right answer is, who is known as father of history? Herodotus. Second, history. The study of past is called history. Priestry. What is priestry? The period for which we have no written records are called priestry. What is epigraphy? The study of inscriptions known as epigraphy. Archaeology. The study of remains of the past is known as archaeology. What is script? The way or from in which language is written is known as script. States, true or false? Herodotus was the inventor of term history. True. Travelers' account are a past of literary resource. Literary source? True. The Arthashastra was written by Kalidas? Wrong. False. The Arthashastra is written by Kautilya. The old buildings of historical importance are called monuments. Old buildings of historical importance are called monuments. True. Old buildings like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Brihadishwar Temple are the example of old building and monuments. So it is very important for resources of history. The old buildings of historical importance are called monuments. The history help us to know about the future. The history help us to know about the future. False. History help us to know about our past. I hope you like this video. We will upload some more video with some new topic. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.